Hi there, it's Tori from the KirkToriStory, and today I have something special to show you. So today we will be touring the owner's residence suite here on Explora One. Number here, 8100.
Yes.
Wow, okay, so we have a double door entry right off the bat.
And the lights will come on to life shortly. There.
Wow. Okay, so we have
So
a left side,
the bedroom side,
the bedroom side.
and you have the right side, where it's your sitting area. It's where you have your bar area.
The owner's suite is just over 3,000 square feet, and it covers the entire back of the ship.
Space for you, your friends and family. And as you're staying this time around on the owner residence, on yourself and your husband, next time you visit us with your family, your kids, we do have the double connecting door, which goes to the suite, which has two
And that's
separate rooms.
over here.
Which is the only residence that has a telescope on board. Very nice.
That is very
Like
nice.
while watching, you like to see what's happening on the sea. Yeah. All
Wow.
the doors are electrical doors. You don't need to open them by a manual button, just press one button. The doors will automatically raise themselves up and you can go out.
So let's go out to the private terrace. There is all kinds of space out here. There are loungers, there are tables on both sides. There's just so much space. Look at this. And you'll notice that there's a lot of seating pretty much everywhere. Let's take a look at the hot tub. Oh, there's a lot of extra towels here for you too. So as for the hot tub, it is an infinity pool, and you can adjust the temperature. You can turn on the bubbles. You can spend a lot of your day just sitting out here relaxing in your own privacy. One thing to note is that this entire terrace takes up the entire width of the ship. We have even more loungers here, and right around the corner you'll see that we have covered up. We have a techno gym, so we have a private his and her techno gym bench, so you can work out on your own terrace. And look over here. When you're done with the hot tub or working out, you can go to your own outdoor shower. It's equipped with everything that you need as well. And another great thing about the location of this shower is that it's a really close entry back into the bedroom space.
We have additional sitting spaces. As you can see, everything is overlooking the view. You have your, when you enter the bathroom area, the wardrobe area, closet area, walk-in closet, bathtub area. You have a steam room. You
have a steam room in here? Okay.
That's a walk-in closet.
Wow.
150 hangers of your clothes.
150 hangers, so you should have something for every day. No excuse. Wow. Lots of space. Lots of drawers. Is the laundry service included here?
All residences, 24/7, complimentary, all your clothes that you can.
So complimentary laundry services in all the suite residences. Lots of space here. Nice deep tub with a shower handle, more soap, shampoo, body wash. Tons of space here.
Towels. That's how you have towels.
Double sink,
Double towels.
extra towels. What's in here?
Dyson hair dryer.
The Dyson. Oh, okay. So nice and convenient. Wonderful.
Steamer on that side. Bathroom. And
Okay. So we have a toilet with a bidet in a privacy room. We have a steam room, which is incredible. And a beautiful shower. My goodness. Very spacious, very bright, very accommodating. Oh, look at the detail in the ceiling. Oh, and then we have some controls in here as well. What happens if the power goes out in the ship?
we never had that because we have emergency generators.
So emergency
One.
generators, okay.
And then that can run the whole ship.
Thank goodness, because I would be the one who ruins the power. And then I would be stuck forever outside, probably, in the hot tub. I love this bed. Is this a king size?
Yes.
And we have the Serene Sleep Collection. And again, there's lots of controls on either side of the bed. So I'll just show you here that you can control the lights, you can control the curtains, and then of course you can charge your phone. And it's just beautiful. And we have those controls on either side.
The husband can be walking here whenever you're at the spa as he walks remotely from the residence.
Okay, and then you can also order in from Sakura and Marble, Fil Rouge. Oh my, lots of glassware to choose from.
Cocktail receptions. We have guests who would like to have cocktails. So we have, don't say anything, we have everything for the guests.
Yes, so we will be having several parties in here, I'm sure, Kirk. Wonderful. Coffee maker. Oh, you have your own little wine fridge here. Anything on this side, Anthony?
Nothing else. Just at the moment some of extra spaces, buses, extra spaces. And the best thing when, for example, you have kids and you don't want them to see if you have alcohol or anything, you can slide the doors and
Oh,
close the bar.
Very nice. Good feature.
And then we have the over here, we have the iPad which I was mentioning to you, and it controls all the lights in the residence, so you can use that for the whole experience of your residence.
So I noticed we had one little spot that we
That's
hadn't seen over here.
It's a pantry, is where I spend most of my time preparing for my guests, for their meals.
So you come into the residence and you prepare?
Yes, we come to them. Whatever they order, drinks and everything, we want us to heat up the food, the popcorn's fixing, we done for them. Extra spaces for in case they come with anything, they come extra for their staycation, we come with extra things, we have additional bottles, additional ice bucket. We have coffee maker, which if you like French press coffee, we do have that. We have additional napkins. Yeah, pretty much this time. I spend my time every day preparing their breakfast.
Wonderful. So we do have a guest bathroom too. It's just, this owner suite is just so impressive. It's just so much to see that I almost missed the guest room, the guest washroom, which is equipped with everything that you need as well. Very classy. Okay, so we're gonna go see the connection to the owner suite, and we'll be popping up into a new section. Okay.
This is H101, which is the connecting of the owner residence. If the guest comes in with kids, we always try to open that. They book the suite, they book this suite. Or when they don't book the suite, we always keep it as a backup for the ship side. So in case of any emergency, lights don't work on the other side, this can be moved in the other side.
Wonderful.
So I'll open it.
Oh. This is I think this is exactly like the regular suites that you have.
But it doesn't have a sit
area, right?
Well, beautiful space. And then here's the connecting door here. Huge TV. Lots of space for holding the extras. So we have the glassware again, the coffee maker, the cups. We have the refrigerator underneath, which again would be fully stocked. Although if it's for kids, I'm not sure about the beer.
Alcohol, we always perfect. And then also the kids, or any age that we have a kid, they do have a different card.
Oh,
Print them
okay.
a different card so that if they go to a bar, they'll always be asked for a card which identifies if they're below age. If they're above age, they'll have a suite card, which is what you have as a normal standard card.
Yeah.
But if they have this card, they cannot be offered alcohol in any of the bars. So they always ask for this. And when the guest arrives, we always remove. And additionally, the kid has to be with a grown-up. You cannot check in a minor without someone who will be with them. And they cannot leave the ship also. If the person who is allocated to have to be with the kid doesn't leave. So we always put them together during the whole voyage. So no one leaves, the kids cannot stay alone, and that's the policy of the ship.
And again, this is a connection room to the owner's suite. Lots of storage, a nice bathroom equipped with everything. and a rain cover shower. Comes with all the things that you need. So you have the body soap, you have the body lotion, you have shampoo, conditioner, everything that you require, and tons of space. And thank you so much for watching. And if you want to learn more about Explora One, please be sure to check out these next videos.